What's up, creators? I'm about to share something incredible with you today. There's a brand new AI video generation tool that's completely free, and I'm going to show you exactly how to unlock it in the next few minutes. Now, I know what you're thinking, another clickbait video promising free tools that don't work. But stick with me because this one is different, and I've got the proof to show you. Last week, I dropped a tutorial on accessing Google VO3, and you guys absolutely loved it. But here's the thing, that method got patched faster than you could say AI video generation. Literally, just hours after I posted. But did I give up? No way. I spent the entire week in the trenches testing every possible workaround, diving deep into forums, and basically becoming a detective to find you the best alternative. And guess what? I found something even better. But first, if you're serious about staying ahead of the AI game, smash that subscribe button right now. I'm dropping game changing tutorials like this every 2 to 3 days, and trust me, you do not want to miss what's coming next. Plus, it's completely free and helps the channel out massively. Today, I'm introducing you to Seedance 1.0, and I'm going to walk you through exactly how to access all its premium features without spending a single penny. No payment info, no sneaky trials, just pure value. Here's what you'll need, and don't worry, everything is free. Requirement 1. A VPN. I recommend Psiphon VPN if you want something completely free. It's super simple to use and gives you multiple location options. Fair warning though, it might slow down your connection slightly, but hey, we're getting premium AI video generation for free, so it's totally worth it. Requirement 2. A Gmail account, preferably a fresh one. Trust me on this. Starting with a clean slate makes all the difference. Alright, let's dive into the magic. Follow these steps exactly as I show you. Fire up your VPN and set your location to Serbia. Now, Serbia worked like a charm for me, but if you are feeling adventurous, you can also try Nigeria or other locations. Sometimes it's all about finding that sweet spot. Head over to Google and search for Dream in a CapCut. Then click on that first result. This is where the magic begins. Sign in with your Google account. Remember what I said about using a fresh Gmail? This is why you want to start with zero baggage and maximum potential. Here's the key move. Change your VPN location to the United Kingdom. This is crucial, so don't skip this step. Refresh that page and watch the magic happen. If you see 0 credits needed to start creating, you've just unlocked the kingdom. Once you're in, you'll have access to AI image generation, professional video creation, lip sync avatar videos, this one's insane, and so much more, all within the free tier. If it doesn't work on your first attempt, don't panic. Try switching to a different country in step 1 and grab a brand new Gmail account. But remember, always end up in the United Kingdom. For that final refresh, I want to hear from you in the comments. Drop a comment if this tutorial worked for you and let me know what kind of videos you are planning to create with this tool. I read every single comment and love seeing what you all come up with. If this tutorial just saved you hundreds of dollars on AI video tools, show some love by smashing that like button. It takes 2 seconds but means the world to me. Hitting subscribe if you haven't already. Sharing this with fellow creators who need to see this. Your support literally fuels these tutorials and motivates me to keep finding these hidden gems for you. And hey, I've got some insane AI tutorials coming up next week that are going to change the game completely. You definitely don't want to miss those.